What is up, guys? Flapjack33 here, and today I'm going to make a vlog about my day. So, yeah, the day started a little earlier ago. I woke up, ate breakfast, did some cooking, and now I'm outside with my buddies Austin and Jason.
Hi.
So, right now we are going to this nature trail. So last night we were walking around and we found this nature trail, and we wanted to explore more of it because when we went it was really dark out. So we want to explore more of it. So that's where we're going. This part is really shady. I like how it's shady. Alright guys, you just entered the path that leads to this weird nature trail. So, I'll get to you guys once we enter the nature trail. Peace. Alright guys, we are here. It is that tannish trail. Yeah, it goes in there somewhere. So, let's start walking in it. We are in the trail. See, there's where we started. Now we're in. I mean, it's very beautiful out here. If you can see. Yeah. What do you guys think of it?
Nice. It's beautiful.
It really is.
It's a lot different from a perspective from when we were here last night.
Yeah, we were here last night. I like how the trail changes from like the mulch to concrete to a bridge and stuff like that. Yeah, there are a couple bridges here, which is cool. I mean, this trail is really nice.
And those aren't only bridges.
And this is the trail in our neighborhood. Alright, so all of the trail we'll be walking, which is probably over a mile, is gonna be our neighborhood. Alright guys, this is the little woods path, and then we just start getting into a neighborhood. So yeah.
You guys see how nice these houses are?
They are nice.
But they get nicer.
The thing I like about the weather right now is the weather is not too hot and not too cold. It is 57 degrees out, so it's like really perfect. Yep. Very beautiful out. There's like a sort of weather station right here. Like, it tracks the weather.
Doesn't this weather station look nice?
It does.
It's a storm-box by Precision System. And it appears to be looking down sort of a creek. It's not really a creek, there's no water.
Shadow. It's my shadow. Okay, so if you guys can see, the time says 12:02. I don't think you guys can see.
Yeah, they can see.
Okay, pretty sure. Oh, it's off. I'm sorry for like saying this. It's very sunny out. I'm not gonna do it, but it's very sunny out, and the glare hits on my camera. The new iPhone 6S came out.
Oh, yeah.
So the glare.
All new Samsung Galaxy Core Premium. It's from 2013.
So it's very sunny out, and the sun hits my camera. So yeah. Hey guys, so sorry if you can't tell if you guys can see or not, but it's very nice out. Yeah. Let's keep walking on this trail. I don't know if you guys can see, but Austin pointed out that since it's fall, the leaves are starting to change, and the colors look really beautiful out right now.
Just because it's a beautiful October afternoon.
Yep, it is October.
Currently October 10th.
Yeah, if you're wondering, we did make this video October 10th, 2015. Very nice. Yeah, that looks really good. So guys, we are at a split on the road. We are gonna go probably to the left.
Yeah.
You guys agree?
Yep.
Yep, we're going.
This way would take us into that neighborhood.
I don't know if you can see it, but if you look past the trees, you can see a brick wall. I don't know what that is. I think it's a dam, maybe.
Is that a dam? No, I don't think that's a dam. I think it's just a plain open field.
there's a brick wall over there. I don't know if you guys can see, but we don't know what it's for. Alright, let me catch up to them. Okay, guys, I'm caught up with them. Alright. God bless you.
Thank you.
I mean, I remember when I was 10, my dad took me down this path.
Yeah.
Last time I was on this path, about 16 to 17 hours ago, I was on this path.
Yeah, we were on this path last night. It was a little hard to see. We had to use our phone lights.
We're coming into another section of the neighborhood.
Yeah.
Alright, guys. Austin wanted me to point out there is a bridge.
This is the first bridge.
This is our first bridge that we have to cross in this path. So, we're going to cross it.
Alright.
It's very muddy over here.
Yeah.
And get the
And it's right under a creek.
So, guys, here's the creek.
And as you can see, we are coming up to a second bridge.
There's the other side. Another path, right or left? Well, you went left yesterday. You guys want to go left?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's better too.
Alright.
There's the other bridge. What are you doing? Alright, not far from the other bridge. Let's check over here.
Guys, there's like a giant sewage pipe down there. I'm gonna go down and check it out.
Okay. Here. Alright, Austin. Austin wants to go down the sewage pipe.
It is a giant sewage pipe.
You want to go in it?
I don't know. I'm afraid I could get stuck.
Is it narrow? Alright,
Sort of.
Get out there. There's somebody coming.
Okay.
Yesterday while we were walking, we found 4 toads. They were really cool.
If we come back here, I may go in the sewage.
Alright, Austin didn't go in the sewage pipe. If you guys are wondering. And yeah, we did see 4 toads. We had to walk into the woods. We turned around at the end of this little woods path. Third final bridge. Alright. Alright, this is probably the longest bridge yet and the biggest. It is the 3rd bridge. So, oh, a leaf falling. Alright.
So, guys, as you can see, there is
This is the biggest bridge.
out of all the creeks.
So that's what the first one looks like. It looks better in person.
Yeah.
And the other side. Some floating leaves. Alright, let's walk. Alright, guys. Sorry for that extra clip. I was trying to turn around. Look at this amazing view. Just really nice. It's good to be out here, guys, right? Yeah, I said yes. Another sewage pipe.
Alrighty, guys, it is 12:13 p.m.
Yep.
Eastern Standard Time.
Yep. Alright, it might be hard to see. We apologize for that. Right now I'm feeling really hot. Like it's like hottest outside that it's been.
Yeah, we're not tired.
We're not tired yet, guys.
But actually, we have come to a really narrow part.
Yeah, this is a very narrow.
If you look to the woods to your left of you, that looks like a really good place to be.
Well, there's another neighborhood across from it. Alright, guys. I'm probably going to say this a lot in the video. this is the farthest we have been. Last night we turned around after that third bridge, but we decided to go a little further today, and I'm really happy we could do that because we just found this nature path in our neighborhood, and we didn't know we had a nature path. So it's pretty cool to think that we have a nature path right in our neighborhood. It's amazing. The scenery is beautiful because it's just becoming fall. Well, it already is fall, but it's becoming the leaves. Sorry, bleh. The leaves are starting to fall. And it's amazing to me. I'm glad I spent it with my bros. My bros. It's really, really nice. Alright, there's a little curve in the path. Here, I'm gonna stop. Yeah. You're gonna see what's going on there. Alright, sorry my camera got like that. I do not know what happened. This is another addition to the video. And yeah, so hopefully that little thing on the side doesn't appear, because I was trying to see what was going on and it stopped, and then I accidentally stopped the video. So we are adding just like an addition to it. So let's go. All right, we finished the path, and it looks really nice. I'm gonna catch up with Jason and Austin. Ready, set, huh. All right, right there, it looks like a dried up wetland. Like, because we used to have a wetland in our elementary school, and that one looks dried up. So it just looks really strange. All right, let's continue to walk. Is it me, or is that Honda that looks like from the commercial? Just really strange. Cool. We found a second path. And so we just entered the Highlands part of our neighborhood. And do you guys want to go down this path?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna go down it. There's only one way to find out. Another bridge, guys. This is bridge 4, and there it is. And I'll get you guys down there. We are on the 4th bridge. Now, you guys know, I let you look. And over here, it's just nothing. So we are in the woods now. Into the woods. Into the woods. Into the woods. Sorry, I need to get shady. I'm gonna wait till it gets shady. Alright guys, now it's shady for me. It's probably shady for you before, but now I can see what I'm filming. Is it me, or it's much clearer when I film here? Here, I'll stop. Yeah, that's really clear. I really wonder where this path leads, because last path I didn't know where it led, and it led to our Urbana Highlands. Once again, guys, another decision. Go left or straight. Austin went left, I see. Austin said this one leads to another neighborhood, so we're just gonna go straight. Very nice out.
I know.
Ah! Oh crap! That was so bad. I'm so sorry, guys. There's a bug on me, and I get scared whenever there's a bug on me. It's just freaky.
I know.
Look at this hill. There's a hill, and this looks really cool. I mean, how does it look? I don't know. Alright, we just found a red ball. Yep, it's an apple. It's hard to see from there. Alright. I just kicked it. Alright, we're going into the woods. Yeah. Bridge number 5! We are at bridge number 5, guys. I'll do our daily check. There is a creek in here. That was really nice. Yeah. I'm gonna catch up. Keep falling behind because I'm filming, taking my time, and they're just walking. So, yeah, I'll catch up with them. There's bridge number 6, but we might have to turn around. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, we're going around. It's really muddy over here, so. Whoa. So it's really muddy over there.
Yeah.
And we couldn't cross bridge 6. I mean, I'll show you guys my legs. Yeah, they're really muddy. Alright guys, we just reached bridge number 7 and it is not under construction. Bridge number 6 we could not cross because it was under construction. Look at that swamp. Shrek swamp! Yeah, we're at bridge 7. So let's see what's over it. Ladies and gentlemen, we found another creek. Sorry, it was hard to see. I'm not really in the woods a lot, so I like to take advantage of whenever I'm in the woods because sorry, this looks like something on my camera. I like to take advantage when I'm in the woods because I'm not the type of kid who likes to go in the woods, but it's fun once I go. And nature walks have been really good. So let's see where we're at. Alright, for a second guys, we thought the path ends, but it doesn't. Oh, they're running up. Alright, I'm gonna teleport. Ready? Whoosh, whoosh. You're at the top. Okay, we're gonna cross the street. Look at that! Yeah. Comment down below if you think I should do more nature vlogs. Because yeah, or just vlogs in general. Because today I was intentionally doing just a day vlog, but we just really got into our nature vlog, so we decided to do that. Right, guys?
Yep.
All right, guys. I'm sad. You almost stepped on dead crackers. I did. What the hell? There it is. But as I was saying, I'm gonna end the video because we are done finding paths for nature because we're just in our neighborhood. So here's what I'm gonna do. Jason and Austin both have YouTube. So Jason's will be up there. Austin's will be up there. Over there, it will be my mini fridge video. So please watch it, like it, and over there will be to like this video and to subscribe. I'm sorry if it's hard to see because I'm filming like that. Coming in Austin. Thank you for joining us on our nature walk, and we'll see you later. Bye, guys.
Bye.